The remarkable axolotl, nature's guide to regrowing limbs. The axolotl, a Mexican amphibian, can regrow limbs, spinal cord tissue, and parts of the heart and brain. Advances in molecular biology and regenerative medicine are bringing translation closer. After injury, wounds seal fast, cells dedifferentiate into a blastema, and tissues reform with minimal scarring to restore function. Within weeks to months, new limbs become fully functional. Genes like PAX7 and SOX2 activate while macrophages modulate immunity, clearing debris and promoting regeneration over scarring. These programs help maintain a scar-free, pro-growth environment. Humans rarely regenerate complex parts, so scientists map axolotl signals to elicit similar responses. Cues push cells toward flexible states and curb scarring. Axolotl genes in vitro increased human cell plasticity. Axolotls rebuild tissues without immune rejection, guiding strategies for transplants and integration of lab-grown organs with less immunosuppression. Epigenetic switches toggle regeneration genes without altering DNA, a pattern that might awaken human repair and someday support limb regrowth. Human-scale anatomy and immunity complicate precise regrowth, with cancer risks and demands for correct shaping, reconnection, and strict ethics. Bioengineers craft 3D printed scaffolds and growth factor matrices to mimic blastema-like niches and trigger partial or even full limb regeneration. Simulated biochemical and mechanical cues guide growth and organization. Decoding axolotl healing could aid amputees, burn victims, and people with spinal injuries, and reshape care for heart and neurodegenerative disease.